Hey everyone, this is Aiden from the Televagal team. I'm very excited to guide you through the experience of using the Televagal PhysioCam, whether you're looking for a quick refresher or using PhysioCam for the very first time. We'll discuss the installation process, logging in for the first time, setting up your virtual camera, and running your first session on the PhysioCam. We'll even start a Zoom call to show how the PhysioCam will forever change the way you practice telehealth. To begin, if you've recently purchased a PhysioCam subscription, or if you've been invited by a clinician, you'll have received an email from our good friend Vivi, the friendly televagal helper. Along with some helpful information for getting started, this welcome email includes a link for downloading the PhysioCam installer, as well as your new username and a temporary password. We'll use those to log in later, but once you've downloaded the PhysioCam installer, you'll see an installer file on your computer called PhysioCam Mac Installer. Now, I've brought mine to the desktop for this demonstration, but you can expect yours to have landed in your Downloads folder. When you're ready, go ahead and launch the installer. After you've launched the Mac installer, you'll see a prompt to drag the PhysioCam icon into your Applications folder. This will complete the installation process. Your Applications folder will now contain the PhysioCam application. Click on the PhysioCam icon to launch the app. After launching PhysioCam, you'll be greeted by our login window. Here, you can enter your email address or username to log in, as well as your password. If you would like PhysioCam to remember your login information, check the Remember Me button before you log in. For our first time logging into the PhysioCam, we'll use our username and our temporary password. If you're wondering where to find those, our friend Vivi has them in our welcome email. Enter these and then sign in. When we sign in for the first time with our temporary password, we'll need to then set our permanent password. Choose something easy to remember, as long as it has at least 8 characters, including a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, and a number. Once you've set your new password, no need to go back and log in again. You are now into PhysioCam. We've now reached the dashboard for the PhysioCam desktop app. From here, you'll be able to start and stop sessions, find valuable information, and open utilities for managing your clients. The sidebar on the left includes quick access links to our user guides, your client manager, your account on televagal.com, and our help and support page. In the center of the screen, we'll see our main display for the PhysioCam, as well as a camera selection menu, start and end buttons, a color bar toggle button, and a small indicator in the bottom right corner to tell the status of a session. On PhysioCam for Mac, we'll also need to perform our one-time installation of the PhysioCam virtual camera. To begin, click on the red Setup button in the lower left corner of the application window. Apple pop-up window will indicate that the setup has started, but it cannot be completed until you give your permission in the Apple System Settings. Click Open System Settings, then click the slider to enable the PhysioCam virtual camera. If necessary, enter your computer password. You can then close your system settings window and return to PhysioCam, where the virtual camera setup prompt will now be gone. Our installation and setup of PhysioCam for Mac is now complete. Let's start our first session here, then connect our PhysioCam to a Zoom call. Hello, and welcome to your first PhysioCam session. The session has now started, and after a brief calibration phase, you should see the indicator in the middle of your color bar begin to move up and down. This could take about 60 to 90 seconds to begin, so while we wait, let's go ahead and start a Zoom call with the PhysioCam. Start by opening your Zoom desktop and either start or join a new call. With PhysioCam available on your computer, you can now see among the listed camera sources in Zoom is PhysioCam. Selecting PhysioCam will immediately begin streaming video from your PhysioCam app into your personal video on Zoom. With PhysioCam streaming to Zoom, you and any other participants in your call will be able to see your nervous system in action. After the calibration phase has ended, you should be able to see the indicator in the color bar slide up and down on the color scale as it observes your nervous system. With that, congratulations on completing your setup of PhysioCam for Mac. I hope you found this video guide helpful, whether you're just starting out with PhysioCam or wanted a quick reminder about how to get everything set up. As always, please never hesitate to let us know if you have any questions about your PhysioCam. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching.